welcome to a PayrollNinja video. In this system demo series, we're going to take a look at attachment, letter, and payroll log. Let's get started. Let's take a look at attachment. You can find attachment in the drop-down menu. To upload attachment for your employee, you need to find the employee in the drop-down menu under attachment. For example, we're going to select one of Akira Haruto. And on screen, you can upload the file of the attachments for your employee. At the moment, PayrollNinja system supports PDF and images up to 5 MB in size. Let's move on to letter. You can find the letter module in the drop-down menu. To download a letter for your employee, you can select an employee from the drop-down as you can see on screen. After selecting an employee, you can proceed to download the letter. As we have covered in one of our earlier videos, letter template can be created at settings under the letter module. Up next is payroll log. You can find payroll log in the drop-down menu. Payroll log is a compulsory step that needs to be taken every month after completing current month's payroll. This will keep data safe from being accidentally overwritten by the next month's payroll processing. Payroll month for the next month will only be available after the current month's payroll is logged. In order to log payroll, all active or resigned employees of current month needs to be processed completely first. During payroll logging process, the next month's payroll will be automatically computed. This will reduce the workload greatly up to 80%, and only employee with amendments need to be reprocessed in the next month. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.